Hi children, in this video we are going to learn about handling data. Data collection. Data collection means the process of preparing and collecting data. Data is collected to give information about a specific topic. By just reading this, we will not be able to understand. So now let's take an example and know what is handling data.
So here today is Simba's birthday. Now, as it is his birthday, everyone in the jungle decides to give him a birthday surprise party. So all the animals gather and plan up for his birthday party and they decide to go and buy few things so that they decorate it and enjoy his party here. So now let us see what all they have bought for him. So once they all decide, they all go and purchase all these things, but they don't have the count of what all they have purchased. So the elephant tells, let us make a list and see which items did we purchase and how many do we have here. So what they do is they make a list of all the items which they purchased for the party. So these are the items which they bought, that is the ribbons, balloons, caps, candies, cupcakes, candles, cake and gifts. So after they make a list of this, now they want to see how many they have from each item here. So what are they going to do? They are going to count the number of things they have bought here. So first they see the number of ribbons they have purchased to decorate. So let us see how many ribbons they have purchased here. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So they purchased 4 ribbons to decorate. And then they have to count the number of balloons they have bought. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So they bought 4 balloons. And the caps, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So they bought 6 birthday caps. And they bought how many candies? There are just 2 candies, that is 1 and 2. And they have 2 cupcakes here. And let us count the candles. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 candles. And they bought 2, one big cake and one small, that is they bought 2 cakes. And the number of gifts they have bought for Simba, let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So they bought 5 gifts for him. So now here you can see that they made a list of all the items they purchased and each item how many they have bought. So this is the list of all the party items they purchased. Now by looking at this list, let us solve few questions.
Use the list to answer the following questions. First question is, how many birthday caps are there? So now when we see the list, we get a clear idea about the number of birthday caps here. So it is 6. Next question, how many things are there in all in the list? Now we have to add all the items in the list here. So there are 4 decorative ribbons, 2 cakes, 6 birthday caps, 2 cupcakes, 4 balloons, 5 gifts, 2 candies and 4 candles. So when we add all these, we get the answer as 29. The third question is, how many less candies are there than the caps?
So now here we have to subtract. So how are we going to do that? We are going to subtract 2 candies from the 6 birthday caps what we have here. So that is 6 minus 2. The answer is 4. So children, I hope you all enjoyed learning about handling data.